Designing a website from an idea to a finished product is no easy task. Many of us just throw up a site without planning what the site is going to be about or how it will be structured. Planning a site is a very important element to creating a finished product that will give stellar results in the search engines. These days, playing the fiddle for Google is the only way that a site will see success, unfortunately. Websites play an important role in creating user engagement that keeps customers, clients coming back. A poorly designed website, one that is too slow, has no contact information, can and will lose you sales. The first step in design is to decide what type of site you are going to build. There are different types of web design that perform different functions. In this article we will be discussing these types of website designs: static, dynamic, e-commerce and responsive. Static web design. Static web design involves creating simple web pages with static content that does not change over time. These pages are coded in HTML and are easy to create using W3 schools. Even with very little coding knowledge, a person can make a static web page. Most high school students learn to do this as a stepping stone to other website design types. Static web designs are used for sites that do not require frequent updating, such as informational sites, portfolios, and blogs. They are cost-effective, as they take less time to design than complex, dynamic websites. Dynamic web design. Dynamic web design is done by creating sites that have special features and content that changes based on how the users interact with the site. This type of site is much more complex than a static site, because they use databases, more complex scripting languages like Perl, JavaScript, CSS and PHP, just to name a few. Dynamic websites provide a lot more interaction for the user, like social media inputs, chat boxes, forums and games. The dynamic site is more suitable to sites that will need to be updated on a regular basis, like e-commerce sites or news portals. E-commerce web design. E-commerce web designs are created specifically for online shopping. E-commerce sites need to be user-friendly, easy to navigate, as well as having lots of security for data protection and payment processing. E-commerce web design also uses lots of images to display product pages, galleries, videos and shopping carts. Large graphic files can slow down a website, so they need to be managed effectively to not only provide the user with attractive visuals but to also provide a smooth transactions to the checkout pages. Responsive web design. Responsive web design is the newest form of web design. It enables a website to adjust automatically to whatever type of device or browser being used to access it. This design works well with desktop computers, tablets and mobile phones. Responsive design provides a better user experience and is now used for all sites that want interaction with their clients and customers. Advantages of good web design. Some advantages of good web design include greater visibility and discoverability across the Internet. Increases engagement with your customers, and improves their overall experience on your site. It gives you the ability to present products, services and content creatively to your customers. A good web design will also build trust and credibility with your customers, and increase your sales. It also allows you to effectively market and advertise new products and services. Over time, a good web design will reduce your costs, learn more about your customer needs and provide a personalized experience for your clients' customers. Challenges faced by designers. Did not make a plan for the site. Installed huge media files. Poor navigation, customers cannot find things. Lack of security and poor privacy management. Site will not load in all browsers. Text and images cannot be seen on mobile devices. Incompatible components, and site crashes. Loss of traffic to the site. Follow these tips for better web design. Every business in the world needs a plan, or a map. Web design is no different. Without a plan, you will waste valuable time to execute the site and have it operational, losing valuable revenue. Plan the site on paper first. It can be changed as you build, or when you have found a problem. Choose a responsive theme based on what the site will be about. For example, a video site, you would choose a video theme; an e-commerce site, you would choose a store theme, etc. Research and implement proper management of images and other media. This is an important step, as media files can be very large and will slow down its response time, or cause pages to load very slow. Google recommends 3 seconds for a page load speed. Spend time organizing the navigation of the site into smaller menus or group by topic, creating a positive user experience. Ensure your site is fully secured, monitored and maintained. If you are responsible for the content, make sure that it is of high quality and is original to your site. Enable user engagement via forms, forums, chat boxes, social media and gaming. No one likes a copycat. Conclusion. In this article we discussed the different types of web design and the advantages, challenges, and tips for creating a good website. The article highlighted various factors when building a website, such as usability, security, and SEO. Additionally, it provided some helpful tips on how to create an effective, engaging, and beautiful website.